Imagine you are a digital marketer. A potential client asks, do you have a portfolio website? You says no. That's it. You just lost the job. Without a portfolio, nobody takes you seriously online. But here is the thing. You don't know how to code. Today, I will show you how to build a professional portfolio website with zero coding knowledge and zero money. You will use Claude to write code and Netlify to host it. Both completely free. Now, some of you might be thinking, don't I need Claude for subscription for this? If you are thinking about Claude Code, then yes. But today, we are not using Claude Code. We are using the free Claude chat at claude.ai. No payment, no credit card, no subscription. Just a free account and you are good to go. Step 1. Claude chat. Go to claude.ai and open a new chat. Most people just type, build me a portfolio and expect a magic. Don't do that. Give Claude the details it needs. Tell it your name, what you do, what service you offer, any notable projects or results you have achieved, and then a contact section. The more detail you give, the better the output. Claude will generate a complete HTML file with HTML, CSS, everything in a single file. No separate style sheets, no complexity, just one file. Step 2. Download and preview. Copy the code Claude gives you, create a new file on your computer, name it index.html and paste the code in. Now double click the file, it will open in your browser. This is exactly what your live website will look like. Want to change something? Just go back to Claude and say make the color a bit darker or add a testimonial section. Make it look professional. Claude will update the code instantly. Here is something most people don't know. The quality of your website completely depends on the prompt you give Claude. Better prompt is equal to better website. Simple as that. But if you don't know how to write a good prompt, easy. Just ask Claude to write the prompt for you. Here is how you can do it. Find a portfolio website you really like. Could be from Dribbble, Behance or anywhere. Take a screenshot and save the image. Then upload that image directly into Claude and say, write the best prompt to build a portfolio website like this, and here is my detail. Claude will study the design and generate a detailed, well-structured prompt for you. You are basically using AI to talk to AI, and the results are a completely different level. Step 3. Netlify hosting. Once you are happy with the site, it's time to go live. Head over to netlify.com and sign up for a free account. On your dashboard, you will see drag and drop area. Just drag your index.html file and drop it right there. Within a second, Netlify will give you a live link. Your portfolio website is now live on the internet for completely free. And if you want custom domain later, Netlify makes that easy too. But for now, you have got a live professional portfolio site without spending a single dollar. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to see how to use Claude Code for free, I'll link right there. This is Ali Hossain. See you in the next one.